Hey guys, what's up? It's me. Welcome to my channel. And today I bring you to the Google campus in Mountain View, California. Yes, Silicon Valley. This is where it's happening. Right behind me is the beautiful Google campus. Look at that. Right behind me. It is so beautiful. I'm in the park right now, but again, I'm going to go over there. So the reason I bring you here live on campus is because I was going to talk to you about a Google certification which can help you find a job in this building right here. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest tech certification out there, the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. If you have been thinking about breaking into data analytics, getting a high-paying job, or just leveling up your career, this video is for you. Stick around because I will cover everything from who it's for, what's inside, exam format, cost, study material, and more. Let's get started. So who is the certification for? Who are the target audience? You should take this certification if you want to start a career in data analytics, if you are a student or a career switcher, or want to boost your resume and stand out in job application, or if you're just curious about data, Excel, SQL, and visualization tools, then this certificate could be the perfect stepping stone for you. Are there any prerequisites? Good news, there are no prerequisites. You don't need a degree, coding experience, or prior data knowledge. This course is designed for beginners. So if you have just started out, don't worry. You'll learn everything from scratch. Look behind me, a lot of visitors here. Today's the President's Day, so it's closed for employees, but visitors are allowed. Visitors are allowed any day. They have a really nice setup over there where you can just park your car and bring your camera, whatnot, your GoPro, and just shoot. It's very peaceful, very beautiful. I grew up like 10 minutes from here, so I'm very familiar with this area. But beautiful, just beautiful. Look at this. A lot of people just come here, visit. But yeah, there's several buildings. They own a lot of land in this city of Mountain View, California. But yeah, this is amazing. Let's talk about the exam format. Well, technically, there is no single final exam. Instead, you complete coursework, quizzes, and projects throughout the program. Once you pass all required assignments, you earn the certification. Let's talk about the Google certification while you walk on the campus. Man, it cannot get any real than that. They even provide you a bike lane. So yeah, if you live around here, you don't need a car. Just get a bike and then bike to work. Like this guy. See that? But yeah, it's beautiful here, man. I love it. All these buildings you see over there. That's another Google building. But yeah, this is just, look at this. Look at this place, man. This is beautiful. This is the bus stand. On the other side, you can catch a bus over there. It's all Google. It's all Google. You see the plane? San Francisco International Airport is that way. The program consists of 8 courses covering everything from data cleansing to visualization and SQL. Expect hands-on labs, projects, and real-world studies. So what topics are included in the certification? Foundations of data analytics, data cleansing and preparation, data visualization, database decision-making, SQL, and R program. If you want to go the extra mile, Here are some great study resources. Official Coursera course, which is paid. Data Analytics for Beginners by Victor Finch. It's a book. Google-owned Data Analytics YouTube playlist for free. You can also check out w3schools.com for free SQL courses, or Kaggle and DataCamp free data sets and Python tutorial. How much does it cost and how long does it take to finish this certification? This course is a subscription-based course on Coursera, which costs you about $49 per month. It takes about 6 months to finish the course if you spend 10 hours per week studying. But if you hustle, you could finish it faster and save money. Now, let me share a quick story. In my IT experience, I have seen many people who started the certificate with zero experience and landed jobs in data analytics within months. It proves that with the right mindset and effort, you can change your career. If you have already taken this course or are considering it, let me know in the comments. So is this certification worth it? In my opinion, yes. If you are a beginner looking for an affordable way to learn data analytics, it won't replace a degree, but it's an excellent way to get started in the field of data analytics.
So guys, hopefully this video was helpful. I wanted to bring you live and show you, give you the feel of it, how it feels like to be on campus of Google, the world headquarters of Google, right here in Silicon Valley, California. Go get it, man. It's going to help you in your career. It's going to fast pace your career, level up your game, and get a job. There's a lot of jobs. Sky is the limit. A lot of jobs in automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science. I mean, you name it. The sky is the limit, I tell you. And there's a lot of money. Hopefully you like my video. If you do, if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.